How to fix Ingress timeout error easy and fast in less than 50 seconds. Yes guys, in less than 50 seconds I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem. First thing you wanna do is open the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager and then open the apps right here. Now you have to wait a few seconds. It will start loading the apps that you have on your phone. So now you have to scroll until you find Instagram. When you click on it, now click here on this force stop, and after that go down to the storage, and here in the storage you will find some options. Click on clear data and clear cache, and that's it. Now go back and go to the settings, go to wireless and networks. Now right here, this step is optional but it's very important and it can help you. Just enable the airplane mode and then disable it, and that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching this video until the end.